If you're like me, you've probably spent hours in Suno trying to get that perfect sound. You finally create a track with a killer vocal style and an amazing vibe, and you think, I wish I could bottle this up and use it again. Well, what if I told you that you can? Today we're diving deep into one of Suno's most powerful tools, the Persona feature. This lets you capture the soul of any song you create, the vocals, the energy, the entire vibe, and save it to use on brand new tracks. It's a game changer for creating a consistent album or just having fun with your favorite sounds. Enough talk. Let's build one right now and see it in action. Okay, so the first step is to find a song that you love the sound of. I made this super fun high-energy pop track the other day called Feline King, and I am obsessed with the vocals. They're so sassy and powerful. Let's have a quick listen.
Yeah. Strutting like a king on a velvet throne. Tail high like a bender, this house is his own. Knocks my coffee off the table just to prove his throne. Who's in charge? He doesn't ask. Every day's a royal task. The feeling.
Yes, I just love that energy. The vocalist has this incredible punch and attitude, plus all those little ad-libs. I have to be able to use that style again, so let's turn this track into a persona. It's super simple. You just click the 3 dots here, go up to Create, and then click Make a Persona. And here we go. Suno has pulled the track in. Now we get to give our persona an identity. The vibe is sassy, it's pop. I'm going to call this one Sassy Pop Queen. You can also upload a custom image to make it easy to find later, or generate one here, which is a great touch. For the description, I'll put sassy, high-energy female pop vocals with a funky, confident vibe. Now, this is important. You can toggle it to be public or private. If you make it public, other people in the Suno community can use your sound, which is awesome for collaboration. For today, I'll keep this one private. And just like that, our persona is saved. We've officially bottled the vibe of Feline King. Okay, for the ultimate test, let's apply our brand new sassy pop queen persona to a completely different set of lyrics. The original song is fun and upbeat, so I've written some lyrics for a slow, heartbreaking ballad. This is the real challenge. Can this persona adapt to a totally opposite mood? Now, instead of typing a style into the style of music box, we're going to use our persona. I'll keep this empty and click on the Personas button right here. There she is. Let's click it. You can see it's now locked in. I'm going to put less weirdness and high influence in these sliders here, hit Create, and see if Suno can give these sad ballad lyrics that same powerful, funky vibe. This could get interesting. All right, our song is ready. Let's hear what our sassy pop queen did with the breakup lyrics.
The lights are low, but I still see your face. Your shadow lingers in this place. Your sweater hangs where you left it last. A ghost of love, a piece of the past. Now this room feels colder than before. Every silence cuts me more. I reach out in the dark for you, but all I find's the memory of truth. I keep the lights low.
Whoa, okay, did you hear that? The lyrics are about being heartbroken, but she's not singing it like a sad ballad. She's singing it with that same confident, almost defiant energy from Feline King. It's turned a sad song into a powerful breakup anthem. That is the power of this feature. It's not just the voice, it's the whole attitude. The persona injected its character into the new lyrics and completely changed the emotional direction. That's amazing. Let's quickly hear version 2.
The lights are low, but I still see
Yep, same thing here. Still has that punch. Unbelievable. So there you have it. The Persona feature is an absolute game changer. We took the very distinct, sassy essence of Feline King, saved it, and applied it to a totally different idea to create a track that's new, but still has that same signature artist style. This is how you build an album that sounds like it came from one artist. This is how you stop spending hours trying to describe a vocal style in the prompt box, and instead, just click a button. What kind of personas would you create? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe to AI Tunecraft for more AI music tips and guides. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.